Hey guys, so today I'm going to be unboxing the new Wet n Wild Rebel Rose collection. I got this in PR. Thank you so much Wet n Wild and Wet PR for this amazing collection. So today we're going to be unboxing this beauty right here. Alright, so we're going to open this bad boy up. So there is the top row. I believe in here is all of the skincare sort of stuff. Well, let's get everything out of the packaging first. Let's unbox the palettes first because that is what I'm most curious about. The first palette we have is Bed of Roses, which just looks like this. It's a very pretty color, is absolutely stunning. This is the next quad. I absolutely love the rose patterns. I think it's so cool. Finally, we have this beauty. I am so excited to try out all these. That green shade is beautiful. Okay, these are the Shine liquid lipsticks, which makes these two the mattes. For a blush, what they decided to do was do a cream blush that looks black but is a more so berry color on the skin. This collection comes with 2 rose brushes, and I guess they also come with a stand sort of, so that's cool. And then we have the skincare. There is a limited edition lip scrub. Actually a brush stand that works. That's cool. That was everything in this unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed. I will definitely be doing a review on this collection very soon. Baby boy!